How to withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to bank account. So in order to withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to bank account, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you need to go and select BNB from the home page. So here you can see there is no such thing as you can withdraw it to bank account as in the form of money. So what you can do is in this situation, you could simply send it to any other exchange platform such as Binance Exchange or KuCoin or MEXC Global, whichever, and then from there you could go ahead and exchange or convert the asset to currency and through that you could go ahead and transfer to bank account. So in that way you could withdraw BNB from Trust Wallet to bank account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.